Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I am going to demonstrate how a Java messaging application can be run on the WebSphere application server full profile using the IBM application server on cloud Bluemix Service. Let us start the demo by logging into Bluemix. Click the Login button. Provide the user ID. Provide the password. And click Sign In button. In the Bluemix dashboard, click Use Services or APIs. In the Bluemix catalog, under Services, click Web and Application and then click IBM Application Server on Cloud. In the IBM Application Server on Cloud page, select the plan Beta Full Profile WebSphere and then provide the service name as was demo. And then click Create. The service is getting created. In the IBM Application Server on Cloud page, you have the documentation link where you can find information on how to install the OpenVPN. Then you have the download OpenVPN config.zip link from where you can download the OpenVPN configuration. Then you have the operating system resources information which has the admin password and the SSH key and other information. Then we have the WebSphere resources about the admin user, admin password and the admin console link. Now let us go and download the OpenVPN config zip file. Click Save As. Let us save the information under the Bluemix folder. Click Open Folder. Extract the files in the OpenVPN config.zip file. Extract them to the OpenVPN config folder. Open that folder, open VPN folder, and then here you could see the files related to the certificate, key and the OpenVPN. Copy those files. These files have to be copied under the config folder in the OpenVPN installation. Paste the files. The files are getting copied. Config files are copied to the config folder. Now let us go to the bin folder and start the OpenVPN as an administrator. OpenVPN is connected successfully. Now let us go back to the Bluemix dashboard and start the admin console. Click the admin console link. Click Continue to this website. Log in to the admin console using the WSAdmin user ID and password. Click Login. We have successfully logged into the admin console. We have the WebSphere application server version 8.5.5.5. Now let us do some configuration required by the application. Click Service Integration and then click Buses. Click New. Provide the bus name as bus. Uncheck the bus security. Click Next. Click Finish. Click Save to save the changes. Then click Bus. Click Bus Members. Click Add. We are going to add the server as a bus member. Click Next. Click Next. We are going to use the default values. Click Next. Click Next. Finish. Click Save to save the changes. This server has been added as the bus member. Click Bus. Then click Destination. Click New. Select the destination type as queue. Click Next. Provide the destination name as queue. Click Next. This destination is going to be created in the bus member. Click Next. Click Finish. Click Save to save the changes. So we have created the bus and the destination. Now let us create some JMS resources. Resources JMS. Click Queue Connection Factories. Select the scope as server scope. Click New. Use the default messaging provider, click OK. Provide the name as QCF, J&A name JMS / QCF, and select the bus name as bus, and then click OK. Click Save to save the changes. Now let us create the queue. Click Queues and select the scope as server scope, then click New and use the default messaging provider, click OK and provide the queue name queue and the J&A name JMS / queue. Select the bus name bus, then select the queue name queue and click OK. Click Save to save the changes. So now we have done the necessary configurations required by the application. Now let us go and install the application. Click WebSphere Enterprise Applications. Click Install and browse. The application is available under the Bluemix container folder. Select the application, messaging application. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Provide the context routers messaging application. Click Next. Click Next. Then click Finish. Click Save to save the changes to the master configuration. Now the application has been successfully installed. Now let us restart the application server so that it can pick up the messaging configuration changes. From the command prompt, let us SSH to the virtual machine. SSH root at the IP address of the virtual machine 169.55.3.33 and then click Enter. Type S and then provide the root password. Now we have successfully logged into the virtual machine. Let us go to the binary folder of the WebSphere installation /opt/ibm/websphere/profiles and then the profile name default AppServer 01 and then the bin folders. Let us issue the command to stop the application server, stop server.sh and the server 1, then click Enter. The stopping of application server is in progress. Application server has been stopped successfully. Now let us start the application server again. Start server.sh and then the server 1, then click Enter. The application server is coming up. The application server has been started successfully. Now let us go to the admin console. Let's log out. Log in to the admin console using the wsadmin user ID password. Click Login. Let us check the messaging engine status, service integration bus, buses. Click Bus. Click Messaging Engines. And we could see the messaging engine is running successfully. Now let us go and check the application. WebSphere Enterprise Applications. And we could see the messaging application is running successfully. Now let us go and launch the application. Let us launch the application using the virtual machine IP address and the port number 9080 and then with the context root messaging application. The messaging application is launched successfully. Now let us send some test message. Test message. Click Send. The message test message sent successfully. Now let us receive the message. Click receive. Message test message received successfully. As part of this demo, you have seen how to configure and run a messaging application using the IBM application server on cloud Bluemix service. Thanks for watching the demo.